Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to iron baggy pants using an easy method. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need an ironing board, a clean iron, and a spray bottle filled with water. Make sure your baggy pants are clean and slightly damp. This helps remove wrinkles more effectively. Always check the care label inside your pants to set your iron to the correct temperature, preventing any damage to the fabric. Now, let's tackle the top section of your baggy pants. Lay them flat on the ironing board, starting with the waistband. Carefully iron the entire waistband, moving your iron in smooth, small sections to ensure every part is crisp. Next, pull out all the pockets, both front and back. Iron them completely flat, making sure there are no hidden wrinkles that could show through the fabric later. Moving on to the main event, the pant legs. Lay one leg flat on the board, carefully aligning the inseams and outseams. This creates a natural crease line. Press down firmly with your iron, moving it slowly from the top of the leg down to the hem. Once one side is smooth, flip the leg over and repeat the exact same process on the other side, ensuring both sides are perfectly wrinkle-free. You're almost done. For the best results, immediately hang your freshly ironed baggy pants on a proper hanger. This helps them maintain their smooth, crisp shape and prevents any new wrinkles from forming. Allow the pants to cool down completely for about 5 to 10 minutes before you wear them or put them away in your closet. This final step ensures the fabric sets properly and stays wrinkle-free longer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.